Take a ride in the 2015 ES 350. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, power mirrors, traction control system, intermittent wipers, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find backup camera, leather upholstery, heated seats, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, push button start, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, power steering. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.